Hi, Windows Server 2012. I decided to record a short video and show you what I think about Windows Server 2012 and show you some new features and what they've changed. I have played with this new version for a few weeks, and well, now I know how it works, but when I saw it for the first time I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that they really made Windows Server 2012 look like Windows 8. So it looks like a system for a touch screen device. It's pathetic, in my opinion. So I remember the first time I opened it, it took me like 10 minutes to figure out how to shut it down. Of course I know I could use Alt F4, but still I couldn't find a way to shut it down. So that's what you can see when you open Windows Server 2012. So you will see a server manager dashboard, which is nice, and they have improved that since the last version. I really hate when you have to move your mouse here to see this. I know there is a shortcut for that, but with VNC and some other remote applications, sometimes I don't want to forward my shortcuts. So you go to settings and then you can shut it down. It's pathetic. The same applies to, well, when on this server there is no Active Directory at the moment, but there was, and I couldn't find administrative tools and things like that. It's obvious, it's here. Yeah, if you know, it's obvious. You know that all these tools that we used to have in administrative tools are under tools here now. But it took me like 30 minutes to Google it and say, where the hell did they put that? I don't know what was the point in changing these things. It's just for fun. I don't know. It's just exactly the same list with of course a few new features, improved sections. That's fair enough, but I'm not sure why they decided to do that. That's not good. Okay, so that's what you can see here. So dashboard. Okay, so at the moment it's really nice. I think it's much better in 2008. Okay, so as you can see, I've got Hyper-V enabled, IIS, NAP, and remote desktop services. By the way, I tried to enable RDWeb because they are very proud. They can, you can change a port number for RDWeb, and it is possible. I did that, and it doesn't work. So what I did, I changed it to 4444, and when I connect from the outside world, the first session is on port 444 for whatever port you went for, and then the port is going to be changed to 443, and of course the firewall or the router will drop it because it is expecting a message on port 4444, not 443. So I don't know, it's broken. I couldn't make it work. So a great feature, people have been waiting for it. Well, it was not working. If you made it work and you changed a port for RDWeb, please tell me how you did that, because I did that and my firewall, the first session was okay, and then my server started to use port 443 again. Yeah, so okay, so compatibility, that's pretty okay. So I have installed PRTGs, Spiceworks, and some other monitoring tools like SNMP tools and syslog applications, and that's really okay. The only problem I noticed was with the .NET framework. I don't know why, but some applications that I have tried so far, they were not happy with, I think it's version 4 here. if we go to local server, it's pretty slow because I've got like 2 Hyper-V instances open, and it's 2 GB of RAM on my micro server, so it is slow. I pause it and show it. Okay, found it. So I've got framework 4.5, and a lot of applications reported they need 2.0, so probably I will have to add this feature, but I would expect 4.5 be backwards compatible, but probably it's not. But that's the only problem that I've seen so far. It has been very stable, okay, and Hyper-V is really great. I have not seen any issues. IIS as well. I enabled a web server. I tried some PHP applications, and they're really okay. So that's fine. But I really don't like the way, of course, if you know that you have to click here to find it, okay, but when you look here, okay, please tell me how to add a new role to this server. You go to dashboard, you can't find it, you just, again, it took me like 30 minutes to figure it out. Of course, it's then you know, oh yeah, it's manage, add roles. Yeah, that's obvious. It's just they rearranged everything, and it will take a while for you to figure it out, and sometimes something that was obvious in 2008 or 2003 is not there anymore. So you can be surprised and say, okay, where is this option? So it is. It can be annoying, to be honest, because it's something that you have a job to do, and the last thing you want to do is troubleshoot things like that. It's like adding new features is fine, but trying to rearrange all options without any reasons is not a good idea. But so far it has been very stable. I have not seen any issues. I'm going to implement a web server in DMZ with Active Directory, and I will probably upload a video and show you how it went. Thank you very much.